This is a 1986 Casablanca Delta ⅱ in antique brass. I don't have any other information about the fan regarding the date it was made. I'm sorry about the noise. Regarding the day it was made, or what number it was that day, but I'll try to remember to include in the description. I do not know what kind of blades it has. I'm not sure what this is. I'd be very happy to know. So if anyone knows, please let me know. But yeah, it's not in good shape. It's actually in really bad shape. But first Casablanca fan I got, so I didn't really have any standards. Anyways, I'm gonna start it up on low. This is probably gonna be a faster demonstration video because medium and high are incredibly wobbly, and I don't want to keep it on too long. Also, I'm sorry if there's any background noise. I'm hoping the camera just won't pick it up in the first place, but I'll see what I can do to get rid of it if it does. A nice, slow, low speed, probably in part due to some bad lubrication, but yeah. Bump it up to medium speed. I got this at the second chance, the same time I got the Fastbill Gulfstream, and I think it was something like $9, so I couldn't really turn it down. There it goes making noise. Oh. Hold still. Trying to hold the fob still. Big piece of metal. There's medium speed. I'll very quickly show it on high speed. There's high speed. Actually kind of evens out there. Alright, spin down. Oh, there we go, spin down. Yeah, definitely not in the best shape, but yeah. It had some weights on the blades when I first got it, but that seemed to just make its wobbling problem worse, especially because it had flung one when I tried turning it on, and yeah, that wasn't good, so I just removed the other one before it flung that one too, and yeah, that's how it is. Yeah, horrible spin down on it. It's already almost stopped. But yep, there it goes. Alright, I'm gonna reverse it. Okay, I reversed it. Here we go. Low speed. Looking at it from here, it kind of looks like the brackets might be bent out of shape, but I can't tell. Whatever the case, it's really not in good condition. I'm not sure if I'd want to put it up anywhere, run it anywhere, not till it's been thoroughly looked at. Because, oh man. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not sure how it got this way either. I guess if I did put it up somewhere, run it, and I ran it long enough, the flywheel would do its thing and sort the fan out, but I don't know. Just not running too good. Alright, up to medium. Yeah, also, yes, I do have a recall clip, and there's actually a second safeguard. When I got this, it was on a down rod, so it has the bigger down rod mounting ball, so there's a bit of play in there, which I imagine would kind of reduce the strain on the system when it wobbles. Alright, there's medium, high. It's actually not doing terrible in reverse, I'll be honest. Still kind of crazy though. Alright, I'm gonna shut it off now and we'll do it up close. Okay, here's the fan up close. There's the tag. I doubt it'll focus on it, but that's okay. I'll let me see. There we go. I'll give all the information on it anyways. But you can see there's the blades. It's a bit dirty up top. You can see there's a recall clip and the bigger ball and all that. There's a few marks and what have you on it. I do not know what kind of motor it has. but I know a friend of mine has told me before, so I'll ask him again. It was fit for, you know, a light kit and all that, but as far as I can tell, it never had one, especially given this sticky, gunky stuff that was on it. I don't think that was a sticker. I don't think there was ever a price tag sticker there. I forget where it was on the fan, but I don't think it was there. But yeah. Oh, the AC or whatever it is making that noise in the background is very unpleasant. Here's the fob. I can get that in the light there, maybe, if I'm lucky. Oh, there we go. That's not too bad. But that's a Casablanca Delta ⅱ. That's all.